Hello guys, welcome back to our third training. Last time we talked, we were talking about our virtual attendant. We're going to go to our print layouts now. Right here is where you are going to input your layouts. If you're using Canva or if using Fiverr or if you're purchasing your layouts, you could go ahead and email them to yourself and save them to a folder on your desktop. We're going to go ahead and create a new template. Let's say we're offering a 4x6. We'll go ahead and create a new template. So right here you have a white canvas, sorry. Go ahead and go to image and go to your folder that has all of your templates. For example, I have all of my templates in one folder. And what you want to do is just go ahead and plug it in. And there you go. It's already plugged in. But let's say that this template was actually smaller and you want to resize this, but you're only able to resize this way. You can't pull it from your right, you can pull it down. In order to fix that, unselect aspect ratio. And now you see that I'm able to move it however I want. Just go ahead and make sure it fits your entire white 4x6. All right, we have added our template. Now we want to go ahead and add those pictures, your 1, 2, and 3, and 4. How you do that is you go to your photo from booth. We'll go ahead and just put it in there. And you see that, again, I'm only able to size it that way. I can't go right or left. So by unchecking aspect ratio, now you have control to make that square bigger. Okay. I do not want to be doing the whole resizing and of each one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this one over here. So how you do that is you want to scroll down. You'll see a little icon here. That icon is your duplicate. Click on that. And now you go ahead and drag it where you want. Same thing, you want to go ahead and duplicate again. And I know you guys are seeing a lot of ones, and there's 4 pictures we need to take. We'll go ahead and make those changes in a few. One more time, go ahead and duplicate. Once you have set your pictures, go ahead and click on your number 2. So it could be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So click on your number 2. Here on the right side, you have an area that says photo number. Go ahead and change that to 2. Go down to 3. Change that to 3. Go down to 4. Change that to 4. Okay. You're seeing that the pictures are above your design. How you want to change that is you have layers over here. You want to make sure that your picture is your number 1 layer. So you just want to drag it up and you want to make sure that it's above all of them. So You got number 3, 4, and there you go. So now you could see the borders that were actually created on that template. Now your pictures are behind, and that's how you import your template. You could also create a template um, off of this software. So, example, you're able to create a new one. You're able to add an image wherever you want. You're able to add text and put it wherever you want. You're able to obviously change the font of that. You're able to change the font, change the color. If you're good at doing this, go ahead and do it. But personally, I rather pay someone to do it. And you could just go ahead and do the same thing I showed you earlier. So yeah, so it has some features where you could go ahead and create your own over here. If you want to change the background color, you can also do that. So just play with this over here and you'll have more control. But I personally just email it to myself, save it to a folder, and plug it in. It's a lot easier, a lot simple than sitting, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending how good you are in creating all these layouts. So I would suggest doing that. But yeah, this is our print layout. And yeah, just you go ahead and save as new. And now you have that saved in your layout. So right here, you'll see all the layouts that we have created. They're over here. And remember, you're able to select. So by putting a star next to these are the ones that your guests are going to choose from when the session starts. So I'm gonna run a session for you guys so you guys can see. And you see how now it's asking me to choose a template. And then just hit next, and it's going to run its course. It's like this.